Hey there, space enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going on an intergalactic journey through our own solar system. From the scorching surface of Venus to the icy rings of Saturn, our solar system is an awe-inspiring tapestry of cosmic wonders. So, let's blast off and dive into 10 fascinating facts about the solar system. Space is vast, but we often forget that even our little corner of the universe, our solar system, is mind-bogglingly huge. If you were to hop in a spaceship and cruise out to Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, you'd be embarking on a journey of over 9 billion miles. Even at the speed of light, it would still take you over 4 hours to reach Neptune. This sheer scale underscores the humbling reality of our place in the cosmos. We are but a small speck orbiting an average star, in a galaxy teeming with billions of other stars, many of them hosting their own planetary systems. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the vastness that lies beyond those twinkling stars, a vastness that begins right here in our own solar system. At the heart of our solar system blazes a star we call the Sun, a giant ball of plasma that holds everything together in its powerful gravitational embrace. The Sun is not just the center of our solar system, it's the undisputed king, accounting for a staggering 99.86% of the entire solar system's mass. This immense mass gives the Sun incredible gravitational pull, a force so strong that it keeps all the planets locked in orbit, dictating their every move. Without the Sun's gravity, our solar system would simply disintegrate, its planets flung out into the cold depths of interstellar space like wayward marbles. The Sun's energy drives our weather patterns, fuels our plant life, and quite literally, makes our world go round. So the next time you feel the warmth of the Sun on your face, remember that you're experiencing the power of a celestial giant, a force that shapes our solar system and makes life on Earth possible. For centuries, astronomers gazed up at the night sky, charting the movements of celestial objects and piecing together the intricate workings of our solar system. Today, we recognize 8 planets in our solar system, each with its own unique characteristics and celestial quirks. In order from the Sun, we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, our home sweet home, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each of these 8 planets tells a different story, a chapter in the grand narrative of our solar system's formation and evolution. There's scorching hot Venus, shrouded in a thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide, and Mars, the red planet, with its tantalizing hints of past water and the possibility of ancient life. Each of these planets is a world unto itself, a testament to the incredible diversity and wonder of our cosmic neighborhood. Let's journey now to the realm of the gas giants, where Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, reigns supreme. Imagine a planet so vast that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. This behemoth is a swirling vortex of colorful cloud bands, driven by powerful winds and punctuated by massive storms, the most famous of which is the Great Red Spot. Jupiter's sheer size and gravity have earned it the nickname vacuum cleaner of the solar system. Its immense gravitational pull acts like a cosmic shield, deflecting comets and asteroids that might otherwise pose a threat to the inner planets, including Earth. Jupiter is a constant source of fascination for astronomers, a giant laboratory where we can study the dynamics of planetary atmospheres, the formation of moons, and the mysteries of our solar system's early history. From the largest planet in our solar system, we now zip over to the smallest Mercury, a tiny world of extremes. With a diameter of just over 3,000 miles, Mercury is actually smaller than Jupiter's moon Ganymede and Saturn's moon Titan. As the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury bakes in the full intensity of our star's heat. During the day, temperatures on its surface can soar to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. But as soon as the Sun sets, the mercury plummets. Without a substantial atmosphere to trap heat, Mercury's surface temperature can drop to a frigid minus 330 degrees Fahrenheit at night. So, while Mercury may seem like a barren, inhospitable world at first glance, it's a planet of fascinating extremes and intriguing mysteries, a testament to the surprising diversity of our solar system. Now let's venture into the outer reaches of our solar system, where we encounter a quartet of gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These colossal worlds are fundamentally different from the rocky terrestrial planets like Earth and Mars. Unlike Earth, with its solid surface, oceans, and atmosphere, gas giants are, well, mostly gas. They are primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements in the universe, with trace amounts of other gases like methane and ammonia, which give them their distinctive colors. But here's the thing about gas giants. They don't have a solid surface in the traditional sense. As you descend through their thick atmospheres, the pressure and temperature increase dramatically, eventually transitioning into a supercritical fluid, where the distinction between gas and liquid becomes blurred. Of all the planets in our solar system, Saturn is undoubtedly the showman, the celestial ringmaster with its dazzling system of rings. These rings, a breathtaking spectacle visible even through a small telescope, have captivated astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. But Saturn's rings aren't just beautiful, they're a testament to the power of gravity and the intricate dance of celestial mechanics. Imagine, if you will, a vast disk of icy particles, ranging in size from tiny dust grains to chunks of ice bigger than a house, all orbiting Saturn in a delicate balance between the planet's gravitational pull and their own orbital momentum. The origin of Saturn's rings is still a subject of scientific debate, but the most widely accepted theory is that they are remnants of a shattered moon or comet that got too close to Saturn and was torn apart by the planet's powerful tidal forces. So the next time you gaze up at Saturn's rings, remember that you're witnessing a celestial ballet, a delicate balance of forces playing out over millions of miles, a testament to the beauty and complexity of our solar system. Let's turn our attention now to Venus, our nearest planetary neighbor and a world shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Often referred to as Earth's evil twin, Venus is a stark reminder that even planets similar in size and composition can have wildly different fates. While Earth is a haven for life, Venus is a scorching hellscape, a planetary pressure cooker with a toxic atmosphere and surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. What makes Venus so incredibly hot? The answer lies in its thick carbon dioxide atmosphere, which traps heat like a giant greenhouse. Venus's average surface temperature hovers around 900 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. So while Venus may share some similarities with Earth in size and composition, its runaway greenhouse effect has transformed it into a scorching inferno, a cautionary tale about the delicate balance of planetary atmospheres. Prepare yourself for a journey to the outer reaches of our solar system, to a realm of perpetual twilight and ferocious winds. Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun, and a world of icy mystery. Here, in this distant corner of our cosmic neighborhood, temperatures plummet to hundreds of degrees below freezing and the Sun appears as a faint pinprick of light. Neptune is a giant ball of swirling gas, primarily composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane, which gives it its distinctive blue hue. But beneath its serene appearance lies a world of incredible violence and extreme weather. Neptune holds the record for the fastest wind speeds in our solar system, with gusts reaching a staggering 1,500 miles per hour, more than 5 times the speed of sound on Earth. So, while Neptune may seem like a distant icy world, it's a testament to the power of nature's fury, a reminder that even in the coldest depths of our solar system there is still incredible energy and motion. Now let's take a detour from the planets themselves and venture into a region of our solar system that's often overlooked but no less fascinating, the asteroid belt, a vast cosmic junkyard located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Imagine a region of space populated by millions of rocky bodies, ranging in size from tiny pebbles to dwarf planets hundreds of miles in diameter, all remnants from the early solar system's chaotic formation. The asteroid belt is believed to be made up of planetesimals, the building blocks of planets that never quite made it to planetary status. In the early solar system, these planetesimals collided and clumped together, forming the planets we know today. However, in the region between Mars and Jupiter, the gravitational influence of Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, prevented these planetesimals from coalescing into a planet. By analyzing the composition of asteroids, we can learn about the conditions in the early solar system and the processes that led to the formation of the planets. And there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about the solar system. From the colossal size of Jupiter to the crazy winds of Neptune, there's so much to explore right in our own cosmic backyard. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode. Got a favorite fact or something you're curious about? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep looking up.